Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to be unboxing and pairing up the Samsung Galaxy Fit. Now I just got this. I've been waiting to get this. I'm really excited for several reasons. First, I've never had an exercise tracker before, so I'm looking forward to finally having one. Second, I don't have any kind of like wearable to really use with my Galaxy phone because I got rid of my S3. My S2, I rarely ever use that thing, because mainly I use my Apple Watch for everything. So having something, to go with my Galaxy phone is going to be kind of nice. So I'm looking forward to that. And this Fit, I really wanted to check it out. I'm just really excited about that. I don't know why. So here we go, Samsung Galaxy Fit. Let's take a look around the box. Now, in the interest of saving time, because I don't know if any of y'all saw my video where I unboxed the Galaxy Gear S3 when I first got that. That took me a long time to unbox. Okay, and a lot of people complained, rightfully so, but I was really excited, and it took me a long time to get the plastic cut off the container. So a lot of complaints about that. So in the interest of saving time, I pre-cut the plastic on this. Okay, but it's still going to be a long video because we need to pair it up, and we're going to go through, the app itself and, what options there are and interface and things like that. So let's get into this. Samsung Galaxy Fit. I'm so glad to finally have this. So let's get the box open. Wait, first let's check this. And kind of like with the Galaxy Buds, there's a tab where you pull, and this little envelope here has the user manual and other information in it. Okay, and here is the Galaxy Fit itself. Actually, let's take this center piece out. Maybe that'll help. What's in here? Okay, this is the charging stand. Actually, charging cradle would be more accurate, where you're going to charge up your Galaxy Fit. So here's the Galaxy Fit itself. I have to say, taking it out of the box right now, it's a lot smaller than I was anticipating, and it feels a lot lighter. The bands feel really kind of rubbery. Not cheap. Well, maybe a little bit cheap, but I don't know, the whole thing just feels kind of light and is a lot smaller than I was expecting. But then again, to be, fair, it is an exercise tracker, so you don't want anything, too cumbersome and heavy, on you while you're out doing stuff. All right, so where's the button? Let's hope that there's some power in this thing. There's the button right there, so let's press it. Then we got to pair it up. Samsung Galaxy Fit. So let's put that aside right now, and let's grab our Galaxy phone. In my case, I have a Note 9. Looking forward to getting that Note 10, that's for sure. So, open Galaxy Wearable. So we're going to open the Galaxy Wearable app. There it is right there. So let's tap it. Okay, start the journey. So let us start the journey. Pick your device. So we have the watch, and right below it we have the Galaxy Fit / Fit E. So we're going to tap that. Okay. And sorry for this if there's too much reflection. Let me try moving over here a little bit. That's a little bit better. Maybe not, but that's the best I can get it. Let me see if I kill one of the lights. Will that help a little bit? Hang on a second. See if that helps at all. Let me try killing the other light. Maybe, because I'm getting too much reflection from the lights here. So where is that other switch? Okay, right here. See if that helps. All right, that makes it a little bit better. So let's just, got so much stuff on the desk here, so let's, all right, that's a little bit better for seeing. Let's zoom in a little bit better. All right. Hold on, sorry. Let's reduce the brightness a bit, see if that makes it better. Makes it a hair better, I think. Okay, so right at the bottom there, we're going to tap OK. And we'll allow that. Do I spot it nearby? Tap that. So it seems to be pairing fairly quickly. Hopefully this won't be too painful of a procedure. And again, sorry for the glare. Hopefully you can see that okay. Okay, Bluetooth pairing requests. We're going to tap OK. See if you can see that better. Let me hold that up. All right, there we go. Let me hold that. Okay. And enter pin to pair with the Galaxy. Try 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will try 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay. Okay, Bluetooth pairing requests. Okay. So finishing pairing. So far, so good. All right, now it went right back to pick your device. Why did it do that? I have no idea. Let's see. Now this is still saying, check your phone. So what happened? All right, well, let's click Galaxy Fit again, see what happened. Let's pair up, preparing to connect. Device is spotted nearby. So we'll tap the same device. All right, hopefully second time is a charm. And again, sorry, but sometimes these things, they take time, but for me, it's like, it's important, to show these kind of issues. That's why I like doing my stuff raw and uncut and unedited, because, sometimes things don't always go as we expect. There could be little weird things that happen. So you're seeing it live, and okay, now you see what could possibly go wrong. So congrats on your new fit. Read that. So we're going to tap report diagnostic information. Give Samsung that stuff in case they need it. Allow Galaxy Fit plugin to access your calendar. We will allow. And restore your band from backup. If you've backed up your data, blah, 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 blah. But we're going to skip because I don't have a backup because it's brand new. So we'll tap next. All right, now it says we're all set. So all right, I think we are all set right now. So sorry about that little bit of a glitch, but in case you have the same thing happen, now you know what to do. Just try a quick repair and it'll go well. All right, so let's go through what this app has. Actually, maybe turn the light on. Maybe now will help with the screen a little bit. And to me, that's a little bit better. So hopefully you can see that better. Okay, so let's scroll through. So we have. Let's check out quick responses. Okay, the standard responses, and you could add your own if you want. Okay, what else could be pretty cool? Find my band. Let's check out that one. Okay, tap start to find your band. Your band will vibrate and the screen will be turned on. So let's tap it. I don't know if you can hear that. Finding this band. So let's stop. Pretty good idea, but I think it would be a lot better if it made some kind of a noise, like a chirping or a beeping. Because if this is on something like a soft surface, like like on some clothes or your bed or a blanket or whatever, you're not really going to hear that vibration. So I think a noise hopefully will come in a further update, because that vibration, do that again. Even if there's even on a hard surface like this on this desk, if there's other noise going on around you, you're not going to find that easy. So we got to hope they come up with a noise. So what else we want to check out? Let's check out notifications. Okay. There's all the information. So let's manage notification. Go. So it has the typical stuff you might want checked. Then there's stuff you can add. whatever notification is important to you. So in this case, let me pick Boom Beach. That's a game I play a lot. Clash of Clans. And there's other apps that you have on there. Whatever on your device, you could add as for notification. But so those are the two that I want. And I'll go through that later. I don't want this video to be way too long. So let's see what else. Widgets. Let's check that out. Okay. Widgets on your band. So here's the widgets that are on your band. We have health summary, exercise, stress, sleep, weather, add widgets. What widgets do we want to add? Calories, no. Oh, so let's add heart rate. Okay. What else do we want to add? Steps, definitely want to add steps. Okay, those are the two widgets I want to add. So you can add or delete widgets as you want. Okay, so let's back up out of widgets. See what else looks pretty cool we can check out. Let's check out display. Okay, the brightness, screen timeout is by default 7 seconds. So I'm going to change mine to 30 seconds. Okay, what else we got? Vibration. Vibration on. Long vibration for calls and notifications. I'm going to toggle that on because I want a longer vibration. In case I'm doing something, I want to be able to feel it on my wrist. Let's see what else we got. So we did display, advance. Let's see what advance has on it. So press and hold side key. Let's tap that, see what it does. Oh, okay, so there is. If you tap that, press and hold side key, you can tell it what you want it to do. So you have all kinds of different exercises and activities. Kind of cool. So we have the wake up gesture. Let's tap that and see what it is. Wake up your band by raising the wrist. We'll leave that on. Water lock mode on. Let's see what that is. To prevent unintended interactions, water lock mode blocks touchscreen, wake up. So I guess that's if you're going swimming. Okay, it doesn't scroll up any further. So let's see. Okay, advance. Then the Beaver account backup. About band. About Galaxy wearable. Let's see. All right. Oh, watch faces. Let's check that out. Wow, pretty cool. You got a nice selection of watch faces. Okay, so this is the default one that's on the band right now. See that? So now let's see what else we got. So here's the big times that you have to choose from. The next section is analog. Okay. Next section is info, then large, then artistic. Let's see what info has. Oh, I like that first info one. It has time, calories, and steps. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. There we go. Time, calorie, and steps. I'm definitely going to pick that one as my face. So now my face is changed to that. Okay, so now let's check out the band itself. We went enough through the app, okay? We saw some cool stuff. And if you have any questions about if you're looking for something specific or particular, comments down below, email, Twitter, you know how to get a hold of me. So now let's just see what this looks like. Let's scroll through it. Okay, widgets, select workout, stress, do not disturb mode, weather, no notifications. Let's tap the little icon, and that if you want to check notifications on your phone, it goes right to that. And that's everything that's on the screen. Okay, if you're on your home screen, like right there, and if you swipe to the left, it'll just go to notification section. Now let's see if there's not a way we could, let's just do this. Let's go back. Let's see if we can't, I didn't want to do that. Let's go like this. Let's go home. Let's see if we can't rearrange the widgets. That's something I could think a lot of people might want to do, how they are organized. So we have health summary, exercise, stress, sleep. Actually, I'm going to delete sleep because I'm not going to wear this in my sleep anyways. I'm not going to wear it when I go to bed. So what would be the thing that I want to see next? for a widget. I thought I'd pick that, but we're going to pick heart rate and steps. Okay, so the next thing I would want to do, what would I want? So let's say with this, I want steps next. So how would we get it up there? So let's grab this thing. There's a little, okay, the little slider right there on the right. So we'll put steps right under health summary. So there's my home thing page. And why did it not go to steps? I told it to select the widgets. All right, I got to play around with this thing more and get used to it. So there's probably things I'm not really understanding about it. I got to get used to it. So I'll figure that out. What's going on with these. Figure it out right now. See, this is why we go through this together. Let's tap save. I didn't do that before, so I messed that up. See, my stupidity. So now there's my home screen. So I saved my widgets organization, how I had them listed. So now, let's get that on. Yep, there it is, my steps. Now, kind of redundant since the steps are already listed under the first home screen, but just to give you an example of how you can organize your widgets. And you gotta remember to hit save, because I didn't. That was my mistake. All right. So I don't know. I'm looking forward to this band. I'm going to go out right now for a walk in a little bit. Take a nice long walk and maybe light jogging or whatever. I don't want to do anything too strenuous today, and see how this band goes. But I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. So right now, I don't know. The screen quality is really good. The way it looks, the display, I like it. So I'm going to put this thing on, try it out. Now, as usual, any questions or anything like that about this band or what it can do, or if you want to know anything, specific apps you're looking for, specific widgets, anything, questions down below, email, Twitter, however you want to get in touch with me. Okay, this has been a really long video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk with y'all again soon.